Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how far should a vent pipe be from the fixtures. Now when it comes to the vent pipes, there's several different sizes, so you might want to check the code in your local area. But there is a rule of thumb for this, that it should be between this size and this size. We'll go ahead and start with the 4-inch pipe. The 4-inch pipe is designed for larger sewer lines, so that way you don't get as many clogs. When you run a 4-inch pipe, it's a good thing to go ahead and run a 4-inch vent up. When you do this, you can run the vents 10 to 12 feet from the fixture. Now you can also run a 3-inch pipe instead of running the 4-inch vent, even if you have 4-inch plumbing. If you do this, the pipe needs to be between 6 and 10 feet from your fixtures. This here is an 1.5 inch pipe. This is the smallest pipe that you can possibly vent with. If you vent with this, you want to be sure that you put it within 3.5 to 5 feet from the fixtures. Now a 2-inch pipe, you want to make sure of the same length. It's not that much bigger, so you want to keep them kind of close. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.